In this video, you'll learn how to leave a review on Expedia. Whether you've just finished a great trip or had an experience others should know about, leaving a review is a helpful way to share honest feedback and guide future travelers. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to go and what to do. First, you'll need to sign into your Expedia account. Open your browser, go to the Expedia website and look for the sign in option, usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details and sign in. Leaving a review requires an account, so Expedia can confirm that you actually stayed at the property you're reviewing. Once you're logged in, the next place you want to go is the My Trips section. This is where Expedia stores all of your bookings, both upcoming and past. You can usually find My Trips at the top of the site's main navigation. Click on it and you should see a list of your reservations. From here, look through your trips and select the hotel or booking you've already completed and want to review. Reviews can typically only be left after your stay is finished, so make sure you're choosing a trip that has already taken place. Click on that specific booking to open the detailed view. On the trip details page, you'll usually see an option to write a review once Expedia has confirmed your stay. This may appear as a write a review button or link. If you've just checked out recently, it might take a short time before that option shows up, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. When the write a review option is available, go ahead and click it. This will open the review form. The first thing you'll usually see is a star rating system. Here, you can rate your overall experience, typically from 1 to 5 stars. Take a moment to think about the entire stay, including check-in, cleanliness, service, location, and value for money, and then select the number of stars that best reflects your experience. After choosing your star rating, you'll have a space to write your review and feedback. This is where you can be specific and helpful. Mention what you liked, such as friendly staff, comfortable rooms, or a convenient location. If there were issues, explain them clearly and calmly, like noise levels, problems with cleanliness, or anything that didn't match the listing. Try to be honest, fair, and detailed enough that another traveler could imagine what staying there might be like. Once you've written your review, read it over quickly to make sure it's clear, respectful, and free of personal information you don't want to share. When you're happy with what you've written, look for the Submit button. Click Submit to publish your review. After submitting, your review may not appear instantly, as Expedia might review it before it goes live, but once approved, it will show up on the property's page. And that's all there is to it. By signing in, going to My Trips, selecting your completed booking, and using the write a review option, you can easily share your experience and help other travelers make informed decisions.